LinkedIn Company Pages has a new feature where you can invite your connections to follow your page. Now, this is only rolling out to select users, so you might not have this feature yet, but everyone in your organization who has admin access to your company page should be checking this to see if they have access. Just go to your company page in your admin view. In the upper right-hand corner in your admin tools, if you see the word new with this icon, that means you have the invite connections feature in your company page. You can simply click this to invite people to follow your page. Now, this will only invite your specific connections. This is why it's important for everyone in your organization to look at their page if they are admins and invite their own connections. So by doing this, you can simply go through here and invite the people that you want and invite them to like your page. There's also a feature on the right side of the page, so you don't even have to go into the tools at the top. It's right here in the page. It's in a pretty prominent spot, and you can simply go through, and if you see people here you can that are connections that you might want to invite, it'll suggest a few, but then you can even click this to invite more connections. Make sure everyone in your company who has admin access to your company page is checking this, because the more people that have access to invite their own connections, the more connections you can invite to like your page. And this is how you can get more page followers for your company pages on LinkedIn.